Imagine that you get to study at IIM Bangalore through a UG program called BBA-DB, and you don't have to leave your city for that. आप online पढ़ रहे हो in a very flexible program, and guess what? At the end of the program, you will get a proper degree from IIM Bangalore, जिसके बाद आप बाकी सारे PG programs के लिए, हर PG entrance exam के लिए, internships के लिए eligible होते हो, and you become a proper alumnus of IIM Bangalore. So this sounds too good to be true, right? There is a program in IIM Bangalore now which is called IIM Bangalore Online BBA-DB, and it started 2 years back. So from that program we have a student with us today. His name is Archit. He's somebody who is pursuing his maths honors from Ramjas College, Delhi University, and in parallel he is also pursuing IIM Bangalore BBA-DB as his secondary degree. So we'll talk to Archit today and we'll get to know his experience in the program. He is somebody जो first batch में था and अभी तक he is studying. He'll also show us कि प्रोग्राम में क्या क्या होता है, what internship opportunities are there, what placement opportunities are there, एग्जाम के लिए कैसे प्रिपेयर करना चाहिए IIM बैंगलोर के, and we have a lot of insights to know. Let's listen to him. Let's talk to Archit. Hi Archit. So my first question for you is, students know that this is an online program, right? And they have this simple thought in mind कि इंडिया में तो ऑनलाइन डिग्री की कोई वैल्यू ही नहीं है, बिकॉज रिक्वायर्ड भी नहीं होती कई जगह पे. एंड सेकेंड इज दे जस्ट थिंक कि ये एक सिंपली ऑनलाइन प्रोग्राम होगा जिसमें कुछ क्लासेस होंगी, कुछ शायद असाइनमेंट्स होंगे, कुछ प्रोजेक्ट्स होंगे, उसके अलावा ऐसा कुछ एक्सपोजर नहीं मिलेगा. सो यू हैव बीन इनटू द प्रोग्राम फॉर 2 years नाउ एंड यू नो क्वाइट वेल अबाउट द प्रोग्राम, आपने एक्सपीरियंस भी किया है. हाउ डज IIM बैंगलोर इंश्योर दैट कि आप लोगों को भी उतना एक्सपोजर मिले, आपका भी होलिस्टिक डेवलपमेंट उतना ही हो जितना एक ट्रेडिशनल यूजी प्रोग्राम में IIMS में होता है?
All right. So first of all, thank you so much, sir, for inviting me, and I'm thrilled to be here once again. So coming to your question, so the thing is, the aspect of overall development वो पूरा ensure हो रहा है. I would say the program team is like making sure that we are basically telling it to the market that it is an online degree. But trust me on this, it's a more of a hybrid degree. So it's not just the online learning mode which we are into. The academics is not just limited to the learning management system which we have, right? We have projects, we have academic projects under professors, right? Apart from that, we have offline events as well. I would say on an average ELD, around 2 to 3 times they call us on campus as well for the immersion and offline networking events. And apart from that, we have city meetups as well. For example, last week we had that in Mumbai and Pune, I believe. And in the month of March, we are going to have that in the cities of Delhi and Lucknow as well. So it's not just learning which is happening. Apart from that, the aspect of holistic development which you just mentioned is also getting ensured. So that's what I think and would like to say.
Great. So I would also like to tell you guys that Archit is not just pursuing his online BBA degree from IIM Bangalore. He is also a full-time student of Ramjas College and pursuing maths honors from there. As you all know that maths honors is not such a easy degree to pursue. It is quite demanding. You know the subject mathematics, people run away from it, right, as much as they want to. But Archit has been able to balance both. So I would just like to know कि Archit आप इसको एक सेकेंडरी डिग्री की तरह परस्यू कर रहे हो, तो कितना डिफिकल्ट होता है आपके लिए दोनों बैलेंस करना? बिकॉज मैनी ऑफ यू माइट बी वॉचिंग दिस फॉर द सेम, राइट? आप में से काफ़ी लोग अपना प्राइमरी डिग्री कुछ रखोगे एंड उसके पैरेलल में BBA DB परस्यू करोगे. सो हाउ डिमांडिंग इज इट फॉर यू? बहुत कितनी डिफिकल्टी आपको होती है दोनों को मैनेज करने में, एकेडमिकली भी एंड एज यू नो दैट एग्जाम्स भी होते हैं दोनों तरफ, राइट? सो कैन यू टेल अस समथिंग अबाउट दैट?
All right. So okay, sir. So basically the thing is, as you mentioned, I'm doing it as the dual degree. So obviously difficulty तो बहुत आती है in basically to manage both these courses like BBA from IIM Bangalore, right? And apart from that, a degree such as maths honors, which is very demanding. So manage करने के लिए I would say it's not just the degree which is there. Apart from that, if I enter a college, then there are a lot of other aspects like college societies, cells, etc. So if we combine all these aspects, then difficult होता है manage करना. But कैसे manage करते हैं? It's all about time management. Like if you get into BBA DB, you will learn it, and especially if you are doing it as your secondary degree, you will definitely learn it. But yeah, it is quite difficult to manage.
ओके, एज यू सेड दैट बहुत ज़्यादा डिमांडिंग भी होता है पढ़ाई में भी और वैसे भी.
Yes, yes.
मान लो आप कह रहे थे कि आप कैंपस इमर्शन के लिए भी जाते हो एम बैंगलोर वगैरह, तो कई बार क्या ऐसा होता है कि क्लैश कर रहा होता है आपका एग्जाम डेट वगैरह इन DU, देन
Yes.
हाउ डू यू मैनेज ऑल दैट? क्या ये कंपलसरी होता है
Mhm.
कैंपस इमर्शन वगैरह, क्या
Okay.
इसके भी कोई मार्क्स होते हैं?
Mhm.
एंड टेल अस ऑल्सो अबाउट कि हाउ स्टूडेंट्स आर असेस्ड देयर, कि क्या सिर्फ एग्जाम मैटर करता है या असाइनमेंट्स हर चीज़ का क्रेडिट होता है वहाँ पर?
Mhm.
टेल अस अबाउट दैट.
Okay, so talking about the first thing, which is campus immersion and all these things. So this comes under the holistic development wala part. It is not compulsory, but the admin team and even the professors really encourage us to take part in these things. So basically, clashes hote hai, and but at the same time, the beauty of this course is the BBDB course is that it provides a lot of flexibility. So basically, let me give an example. जब मेरा term 1 का exam था, which was in January 2025, at the same time मेरे DU के भी exams थे, the semester 1 end exam, right? So clash हो रहा था, so I deferred my term 1 exams over here, and then again I shifted those exams to the second term. So basically this you can do. For example, for each course over here at BBDB, you will get 2 additional attempts in order to clear that particular exam. So that आपका clear नहीं भी होता है, be it if you miss it or even if you fail the exam, you have 2 additional attempts. So this is how you can structure it.
Okay,
and
I think
manage.
they have given you 7 years in total to complete the program,
6
right?
years, sir.
6 years.
Yes.
Okay. So it's basically a program जिसमें ज़रूरत नहीं है आपको कि आप इसको exactly
Yeah.
3 years में complete करो, है ना? आप इसको extend करके अपने exams पीछे आगे करके you can manage it within a time span of 6 years in total, okay? And आप ऐसा भी है कि शायद multiple exits भी इसके अंदर है, right?
Multiple exits भी है, yes, according to the
अच्छा,
NEP
एग्जिट
2020.
एग्जैक्टली कैसे होता है? मतलब आप हर ईयर के बाद एग्जिट ले सकते हो, एंड इफ यू टेक एन एग्जिट इज डू दे गिव यू समथिंग, या फिर आप कंप्लीटली एग्जिट कर जाते हो विदाउट टेकिंग एनीथिंग?
All right. So basically, according to NEP 2020, it is aligned with this. First year, if you exit, like if you completely exit, you are not on a term break, but you completely exit from the program. Once you have attempted and cleared all your papers, you will get a degree, not a degree, but a certificate after after completion of the first year. Same if you do it at the end of the second year, again you will get a diploma,
राइट.
and at the end of the third year, obviously the degree. BBA.
Okay, let's talk from the exam perspective, the entrance test for IIM Bangalore BBADB. You were one of the first batches, right? I mean,
First
you were
batch,
in one of the
yes.
first batches. And how difficult was the exam for you? आपने जब प्रिपरेशन इसकी करी थी, तो आप CUET तो क्रैक करके ऑलरेडी
Yeah.
रामजस में गए थे. क्या CUET की प्रिपरेशन से इसमें कोई हेल्प मिली थी? ऑल्सो इस एग्जाम की प्रिपरेशन में क्या क्या और आपको एक्स्ट्रा करना पड़ा था? एंड दिस प्रोग्राम एक्चुअली केम ऑल ऑफ अ सडन, राइट? एकदम बहुत पहले से इसका पता नहीं था, है ना? पीपल नो अबाउट दिस प्रोग्राम फॉर अ ईयर नाउ, फॉर 2 years, बट आप पहले थे ऐसे जो इस बैच में गए थे, है ना? तो कितना डिफिकल्ट था आपके लिए क्वांट करना, वर्बल करना इन द एग्जाम, एंड हाउ मच डिड यू स्कोर टू गेट इनटू दिस प्रोग्राम? एक बार वो भी बता दीजिए. एंड इफ यू कैन टेल स्टूडेंट्स कि आपने कैसे प्रिपेयर किया था, क्या क्या रिसोर्स आप यूज कर सकते हो, है ना?
So matter of fact, जिस दिन मेरा NPAT का एग्जाम था, at the very same day I got the notification कि BBDB has been launched. So yeah, it was done in quite बहुत कम टाइम में हुआ था. So coming back to the preparation वाला part, so basically I was already prepared for the CUET examination, which I cleared and got into Ramjas. So for personally me, it wasn't that difficult, but still in order to, because it was the first time this test was happening, right? So in order to make sure that my preparation is overall at a
Up to the mark.
up to the mark, basically, yes sir. So I used certain sources, be it YouTube, and especially at that point of time I believe iQuanta के mocks भी release हुए थे especially for this BBDB test. So I also enrolled for that. So overall तो ये था. And apart from that, for the admissions, there are basically 3 channels. First is the entrance exam of IIM Bangalore's BBDB test, right? Apart from that, they are also accepting JEE main scores, and apart from that, the CUET general test score.
ओके,
So
सो
this
ये
is
भी
the
एक्सेप्ट
thing.
होता है वहाँ पर?
Yes.
ठीक है. कैन यू टेल अस अ रेंज ऑफ दैट स्कोर? मतलब कि IIM बैंगलोर का टेस्ट होगा तो कितने
हाँ.
मार्क्स लाने चाहिए? जेई वगैरह का तो आपको थोड़ा कम आइडिया होगा, बट स्टिल
हाँ.
IIM बैंगलोर का बता सकते हो कि इतने मार्क्स लाओ अगर एज अ जनरल स्टूडेंट, तो हो जाता है.
Okay, so I'm from general category, and I scored 40 out of 60, and I got in over here. एंड आई बिलीव जिस बैच में मैंने दिया था उसका आई बिलीव बिकॉज ऑफ लो कंपटीशन एंड लो
Right.
अवेयरनेस
पहली बार हुआ था।
पहली बार होता है
हम्म।
एग्जैक्टली. सो उसका कट ऑफ था आई वुड से अराउंड 30 मार्क्स, 50%.
Right.
So this is for the year 2024. Now again we have received a lot of applications last year for 2025 admissions.
अप्रॉक्स कितनी एप्लीकेशन होती है?
Approx I would say इस बार 4 to 5K बढ़ा था.
बड़ा था, तो इस
Yes.
बार भी 4 to 5 के बढ़ सकता है।
और बढ़ सकता है, yes.
Right.
And basically people are viewing this as their secondary degree majorly because internal stats अगर मैं दूँ so around 60 to 65% of the batch is doing this as their secondary degree.
बढ़िया,
So
okay.
we have people from SRCC, we have people from top colleges of DU,
Right.
IITs and IIMs as well. So yeah, this is the overall, I would say, the thing. Additionally, I would like to add that if you are solely preparing for the CUET, then you must focus on the general test of CUET as well because इससे भी preparation like इससे भी entry हो जाती है. And if you are doing preparing for IP MAT, then overall आपका preparation would be up to the mark, I am assuming. So you can just get the marks and get accustomed to the paper pattern. So that's what I would suggest. And apart from that, and adding to my point, like people are have this mindset that it is an online degree, consider hoga ki nahi, is it a proper degree even or not. Like, so let me just clear all the doubts over here. It's a proper degree given by IIM Bangalore. It will be treated equivalent to any degree which you will get from any offline college under registered by the UGC. Okay? And it will be considered throughout, from be it if you're applying for jobs, it will be considered. If you are applying for entrance exams like CAT, basically all the PG exams, CAT, GMAT, or whatever exams you are planning to give, it will be considered. And for the internships as well. So yeah.
So this is an important point, okay? I mean, बच्चों को लगता है कि ये ऑनलाइन डिग्री है, ये प्रॉपर ऑफलाइन डिग्री की तरह ट्रीट होती है। आप कैट के लिए एलिजिबल हो, आप किसी गवर्नमेंट एग्जाम के लिए एलिजिबल हो, आप किसी एंट्रेंस एग्जाम को लिखना चाहते हो आफ्टर ग्रेजुएशन, जिसमें मिनिमम एलिजिबिलिटी ग्रेजुएशन रिक्वायर्ड होती है, उसके लिए एलिजिबल हो, इंटर्नशिप के लिए एलिजिबल हो। तो इवन दो ऑनलाइन डिग्री है, बट इसको ट्रीट बिल्कुल किया जाता है ऑफलाइन डिग्री की तरह, अकॉर्डिंग टू द IIM एक्ट, आई थिंक, जिसके थ्रू ये डिग्री बन जाती है, राइट? सो इट्स अ प्रॉपर BBA डिग्री।
Like 40% of the batch is doing this as their primary degree, right? And they
Right.
are doing crazy work, like working in startups over there. They are accepting this degree. And apart from that, we have a couple of people who are who have got internships at JP Morgan, right?
Great.
At Citadel as well. So it is a proper degree. People are accepting. Industry is accepting.
ओके, वन मोर क्वेश्चन। जैसे आपका बैच है, मुझे पता है कि 1000 सीट्स हैं इसमें अप्रॉक्स, है ना? तो आप लोग आपस में कैसे कनेक्टेड रहते हो स्टूडेंट? जैसे ऑफलाइन प्रोग्राम में होता है कि काफ़ी सारे बच्चे मिलते हैं डेली बेसिस पे, एवरीबडी नोज दैट अच्छा ठीक है माय पीयर्स आर डूइंग दिस, दे आल्सो फॉलो देम एंड एंड अप डूइंग गुड, है ना? यहाँ पे आपको कैसे पता लगता है कि यार मेरे साथ वाले बच्चे क्या कर रहे हैं एग्जैक्टली? आप उनसे इंटरेक्शन कैसे करते हो, है ना? टेल अस अबाउट दैट कि ये जो इंटरपर्सनल स्किल्स डेवलप होती हैं आप लोगों की, आप कैसे आपस में कम्युनिकेट करके चीज़ें करते हो। टेल अस अबाउट दैट कि बैच बात वगैरह कैसे करता है, कम्युनिकेट कैसे करता है। ऐसा तो नहीं कि सारे बच्चे अलग अलग रहते हैं एकदम?
नहीं, दैट इज नॉट द केस एट ऑल।
बिकॉज जनरली क्या होता है कि ऑफलाइन प्रोग्राम में मान लो आपकी क्लासरूम में उसमें 100 बच्चे बैठे हुए हैं मैक्स, मान लो यहाँ पर 1000 बच्चे हैं। हाउ डू दे डील विद सच लार्ज नंबर ऑफ पीपल इन अ क्लासरूम? आई वुड से कि 1000 बच्चे एक साथ बैठते हैं या क्या होता है?
ओके, सो रिगार्डिंग द इंटरेक्शन वाला पार्ट, सो first we have, as I told you, the city meetups, like but obviously वो daily तो होंगे नहीं, like maybe twice or thrice 4 times a year, right? Apart from that, online medium, like we are Gen Z typically, right? So online में we interact a lot, be it the zonal groups which we have basically they are created by the admin team only. Apart from that, we interact on team sessions as well.
Okay.
Apart from that, just as a like in a proper offline college, we have cells and college societies, right? So over here also we have cells. For example, personally, I am in the partnership cell. I'm leading one of the teams, industry outreach wing over there. Apart from that, we have academic cell. Apart from that, we have media cell as well. So if people work together in these cells, and obviously they will communicate, and the interpersonal skills will obviously develop.
Obviously, उन्होंने बोला ना ये Gen Z हैं तो इनको ऑनलाइन जाके कम्युनिकेट करना ऑलरेडी आता है।
That is better for us.
चलो ग्रेट। अर्चित, वन मोर क्वेश्चन। हर कोई बहुत एक्साइटेड रहता है कि यार IIM बैंगलोर इंडिया का सेकंड बेस्ट IIM है, बल्कि आप मान लो फर्स्ट ही है इन सम टर्म्स, ठीक है ना, प्रैक्टिकली एक तरीके से। तो बच्चे बहुत एक्साइटेड रहते हैं कॉन्वोकेशन को लेकर के कि हमें बैंगलोर जाने मिलेगा, एंड बैंगलोर के कॉन्वोकेशंस तो वैसे ही बहुत फेमस है, तो
Definitely.
ऐसा कोई प्रोविज़न है कि आप लोगों को भी बोला गया है कि आपका
Mhm.
कॉन्वोकेशन कैंपस में ही होगा? और हाउ डू यू गेट दैट सेम, आई वुड से, जो कॉलेज का
Mhm.
रिकॉग्निशन होता है वो डीबी वालों को प्रॉपर मिलता है या नहीं मिलता है?
All right. So, according to the admin team, and I believe professor also once told us that the convocation will take place offline on campus. Like it makes sense also. Like if they are calling us on campus, like right for immersion, for all the city meetups and stuff, then obviously then this will also take place offline, like in person in a traditional way. Gen Z has no issues in that. We can come offline for that.
Chalo, great. We also have a glimpse of what Archit is studying there, how he studies, how he is given all assignments by the professors, how he communicates with them. Okay, so he'll be showing some glimpses of those, कि कैसे ये लोग इनको असेस किया जाता है, कैसे अपना डैशबोर्ड यूज़ करते हैं, कोर्स कंप्लीशन कैसे दिख रहा होता है, बिकॉज मैनी ऑफ यू माइट बी क्यूरियस टू नो कि भाई ऑनलाइन होता कैसा है पूरा प्रोग्राम। जैसे आजकल ऑनलाइन कोचिंग्स वगैरह तो होती हैं, मीट्स होती हैं, चलो ठीक है, बट एक 3 साल का प्रॉपर कोर्स ऑनलाइन कैसे होता है, दैट विल शो यू हियर। सो दिस इज इट।
All right. Hi, everyone. Welcome back to the video. So in this short clip, I would walk you through the learning management system of the BBDB program. All right. So I'll give you a brief of it, right? I hope it is visible. Yeah, just a sec. Yeah. All right. So this is the IIM Bangalore BBDB thing. This is basically the IMBX website wherein we see our lectures, right? All this is in asynchronous mode. All right. So let's take any course. Let's say behavioral economics. So this course is in term 5, right? Let's go through it. Yeah. This is behavioral economics. Okay. Here we have the course structure, the progress, dates, discussion, and the syllabus. So this is the overall structure. Module 0 and module 1 would be released on 18th Feb, which basically has been released already. Okay. And module 2, module 3, basically over here you will get the thing, basically the structure and the pattern they are following, right? Then over here we have the lectures. So module 1 is about heuristics, biases, and risk preferences. All right. In this 0 module, you basically get the course overview, right? Here we have the course overview, and then we have the meet the team, right? So Professor Ritvik Banerjee is taking this particular course, behavioral economics in term 5 for us. So this is the IMBX website. And let me just walk you through the progress section as well. Yeah, over here, just a second, it's loading. Yeah, here we can see the progress which we have made, the course completion percentage, right? And then the continuous learning assessments. These are basically given at the end of each module and these are graded. So basically, ISCA marks is considered for your final evaluation as well. Basically, we have the on-center exams and then we have the internal exams. So these are the internal exams. So we have to go through all the pre-reads, all the reading material, all the video lectures, right? And the live sessions as well. And then we have to attempt these CLEs, which is continuous learning assessments. Over here, we have the dates. Again, the same thing, like concept module, concept date, release होगा and stuff, right? Discussion forum. This is basically the discussion forum wherein we can interact with the SME and even the faculty in order to ask the doubts and stuff, right? Some of the people have asked their doubts. See, so this is the thing. And so this is more or less same for each and every course. Okay. Module 1, all the topics, module 2, all the topics, 3, 4, and so on and so forth. Yeah, 25% for the CLA online thing, and 75% is the weightage given to the final in-center exam. And then we have the schedule for the live sessions. Okay. On 9th March, we have with Professor Ritvik Banerjee, and the second one will be somewhere in February itself. That will be notified via mail. Yeah. So this is the overview. And okay, then the next thing is the Moodle. Over here, we have been enrolled just to see, basically we can view our marks over here, right? I won't be able to, yeah, so we need to log in, right? It will take some time. Won't take much time, but yeah. Yeah, this is the thing. Over here, I am enrolled in this BBDB thing, right? BBDB program. So I'll click on that, and over here I can view my grades and stuff. So yeah, this is the thing. This is the overall structure.
अर्चित, लास्ट क्वेश्चन फॉर यू. जनरली बच्चे बहुत ज़्यादा कंसर्न होते हैं प्लेसमेंट्स को लेकर, एटलीस्ट प्लेसमेंट्स नहीं तो भाई इंटर्नशिप को लेकर. क्या कोई ऐसा सपोर्ट कॉलेज की तरफ से अवेलेबल है? डू यू हैव एनी इंटर्नशिप सेल्स, प्लेसमेंट सेल्स विच इज़ वर्किंग अपॉन ऑल दिस, कि स्टूडेंट्स को सही से इंटर्नशिप प्लेसमेंट मिल जाए?
All right. So our Professor Suresh was in the favor that the internships must be provided to students in the second year, right? First year is purely for learning, and the second year is for the application of those concepts. That's the thought of our professor and the director of the program. So in accordance to that, we are in the process of starting the internship drive. Right. So personally, as I mentioned about the partnership cell, so partnership cell is only leading this process, and yeah, industry outreach wing is also a part of it. So I'm personally working on that particular project. But at the same time, I would highly suggest you all to focus on academics first and make sure you get good score over here internally, and then obviously internships will be provided. But at the same time, it is actually it is in the process right now, so I cannot disclose a lot of things about it. So yeah, this is the thing.
So
But
you've been assured of internships and all,
definitely,
but एकदम अभी official commitment kind of नहीं है.
yes, we
But
are in
हो
the
जाएगा
process. We are in the process. Yes.
Right. So it was nice talking to you, Archit. So we'll come up with more such college students who are pursuing their UG programs. IPM programs have different colleges like IIMs, and we also have a session coming up for IIM Quickcode BMS, because many of you might be applying for that as well. So for all those details, to interact with students, if you have any questions, you can comment. And if you need a particular video on a particular college about its program, you want to know insights from the students who are currently studying there, you can let us know in the comment section. Do subscribe to this channel, because we are also going to post a lot of academic content in the upcoming days. And all the best for your exams. Thank you, Archit.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.